Alright guys, thanks to Megalook for sending us this hair. We are gonna go inside, see what type of hair and color it is, and we are gonna install this. So let's open the bag. We check on the hair. So we have a wig cap, edge brush, a clip, some lashes, ooh, and we have the ear bond, the headband rather. Company's name is on it, and I love to use these. They secure, they keep the wigs down. Let's look at this ear color. It's like a honey blonde chestnut color. It is in 24 inches, and oh, it has a band, of course. All the wigs, they normally come with clips inside. This one also comes with an extra band, and as I tell you guys in every video, my favorite is the clips at the back. So, ooh, these curls are juicy. I love the curl pattern. I am excited. It is like a honey blonde color, like I told you guys. So this is how it looks. The curls are real juicy. It is in 24 inches. And let's check out the lace. 13 by 4 lace front. All right, there we go. We are gonna go in and plot this, but I like that the lace is pre-bleached, so we don't have to worry about that, even though we're gonna add makeup still. But we are gonna go in. The band is stretchable, and that's something that we love. Let's get into this wig. Let's style this and then install it. Come on. The first thing that I like to do is add the wig on a wig cap or a wig. Oops. I like to go in. We're gonna go in and pluck. I like it. I cannot wait to install it. Love the color. How are we gonna do this? Should we do it free? Yeah. So let's go in and pluck the hair first. Alright guys, we are back. I'm going to install the wig now. So it is the next day actually, but the hair is laid. And I'm thinking that
Mommy,
I need to, like, I don't know, I feel like I like it looking this mad and just like, you know, you just want to freelance and stuff like that. But should I I don't know. Let me see. I think we're gonna put this in a ponytail. Didn't do nothing too neat. I just added the wax stick to it and sprayed a little bit of water because I feel like I like the poofy look on this one. So it looks really cute, real simple. Yeah, I like it. So this is it, guys. We are gonna get into the slow-mo, and thank you guys for watching. If you need anything, any wig, anything at all, make sure you check the description bar down below. So thank you to Megalook Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful wig. Love it. The direct link will be down below as well, so that's the first thing you're gonna see. You can also browse their website to find other stuff.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've